Welcome to Decor, where timeless vintage inspiration transforms every corner of your home into a place of beauty and comfort. Today, we're exploring creative foyer decorating ideas that make unforgettable first impressions while reflecting elegance, warmth, and personality. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your favorite foyer design idea. Let's discover how an inviting entryway can set the tone for your entire home. The foyer serves as the introduction to your home's story, making it one of the most important spaces to decorate thoughtfully. Whether your entryway is grand or compact, combining vintage-inspired furniture, welcoming textures, and balanced proportions creates an atmosphere that immediately makes guests feel comfortable while expressing your unique decorating style. A beautifully crafted console table instantly becomes the centerpiece of any foyer. Antique wood finishes, carved legs, distressed paint, or elegant marble tops provide timeless appeal while offering practical space for decorative accents, fresh flowers, and everyday essentials without overwhelming the room. A decorative mirror is one of the most effective ways to enhance a foyer by reflecting natural light and creating the illusion of a larger space. Vintage gold frames, weathered wood borders, or ornate traditional designs add character while making the entrance feel brighter, more welcoming, and visually balanced. Lighting transforms both the beauty and functionality of an entryway. Combine an eye-catching chandelier or pendant light with elegant table lamps or wall sconces to create layers of soft illumination that highlight architectural details while establishing a warm and inviting atmosphere throughout the day and evening. Fresh greenery, dried botanicals, or carefully selected seasonal flowers bring natural life into the foyer. Placing arrangements inside vintage ceramic vases, woven baskets, or antique urns introduces texture, color, and freshness while allowing the decor to evolve beautifully throughout every season of the year. Artwork gives your foyer personality before guests even step inside the main living spaces. Botanical illustrations, antique landscapes, architectural sketches, or vintage-inspired paintings create visual interest while reinforcing the timeless elegance that defines classic interior decorating. A carefully selected runner rug softens hard flooring while guiding visitors naturally into the home. Vintage-inspired Persian patterns, muted earth tones, or subtle floral motifs introduce warmth, comfort, and sophistication while protecting flooring in one of the busiest areas of the house. less often creates greater impact when accessorizing a foyer. A balanced collection of antique books, elegant candle holders, decorative trays, ceramic vessels, and sculptural accents creates visual harmony while maintaining a clean, uncluttered appearance that feels both refined and welcoming. A vintage bench or upholstered accent chair provides both comfort and practicality. Besides offering a convenient place to put on shoes or set down bags, thoughtfully selected seating introduces another layer of texture and elegance that enriches the overall composition of the entryway. An attractive foyer should remain organized despite daily activity. Decorative baskets, woven storage boxes, elegant trays, and concealed drawers keep keys, mail, umbrellas, and personal belongings neatly arranged while preserving the polished appearance of the entire entrance. Soft neutral palettes establish a calming foundation, while muted sage greens, dusty blues, warm creams, and gentle taupes create classic elegance. Carefully layered colors allow architectural features, vintage furnishings, and decorative details to stand out without making the foyer feel visually overwhelming. the most memorable foyers tell a story. Family heirlooms, treasured collectibles, antique clocks, handcrafted ceramics, or meaningful travel finds give the entrance authentic personality while creating a warm emotional connection that welcomes both family members and visitors alike. A successful foyer combines graceful aesthetics with everyday practicality. Every decorative element should contribute to both visual appeal and daily convenience, ensuring the space remains organized, comfortable, and effortlessly elegant regardless of changing seasons or busy lifestyles. A thoughtfully decorated foyer creates an inviting first impression that reflects the warmth, elegance, and timeless beauty found throughout your home. By blending vintage charm, functional design, layered textures, and meaningful decorative accents, you can transform even the simplest entrance into a memorable welcome. If you enjoyed these creative foyer decorating ideas, please subscribe to Decor, give this video a like, and share your favorite design inspiration in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next decorating adventure.